This is how you can delete all tag photos on Facebook. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. Launch the Facebook app. Get to your profile. Click on the three lines at the top right hand corner. The three lines at the top right hand corner. Click on your name. Click on the three dots beside Edit Profile. The three dots. Get to Activity Log. Activity Log. This is the activity log. You manage your posts, manage your tags. Click on Manage Your Tags. This is it. Want to manage the tags? You can remove the tags. You can delete them. These are the tags here. If you want to delete any of them, click on the three dots beside the tag. You can see remove tag, report tag, and all of that. If you want to remove it, you click on remove tag. Another way you can do this is to check the box beside the person. Just check the box and the remove tag will be active. You can also remove the tag from here. Check the box and the remove tag will be active. Okay, this is how you can delete posts you are tagged in on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye bye.